happening, guys? Oh, you know, just the usual, like a motherfucking slow Lewis with a tiny umbrella. No, just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beat the Cecil. My name is Konstantin Cecil, and this show is brought to you by... Now in the third challenge, you can win $150 US. $150 US. Everybody, every nation, all over the world can participate. If somebody outside the USA wins the money, then the money will be converted to the appropriate currency. Moreover, everybody can get $5 US by giving her or his bet in the comment section below. Who will win me Cecil or the competitor? The third challenge is 1 minute push-ups. How many push-ups can you do in 1 minute? You need to show a stopwatch next to you so you can prove your time. After you click on your stopwatch, the time begins only then with the first push-up. Then after 1 minute, the time ends automatically. Push-ups count only if they are performed correctly and properly. They are performed incorrectly if during the performance either you sink in the middle or you pipe your butt in the air. In order to do correct push-up, you have to maintain a straight line from head to toe during your performance. And your nose has to touch almost the ground. Cheating competitors are disqualified forever. Additionally, tell us in the comment section on Facebook or Twitter your suggestions of challenges. One of your suggestions could be the next challenge. The deadline of the third challenge is the 23rd of April 2011. To win $150 or $5 US, you have to subscribe to my channel in both cases. Remember, anything is possible. So far so good, stay tuned. We will see us on the 23rd of April 2011. See you later, alligator. After a while, crew. Good night. Peace out, y'all.